Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to wallpaper and style, and here select change wallpapers option, and here select from the available wallpapers, featured wallpapers. These are all the system wallpapers. Just select any one. Okay, and you have to if you would like to use only lock screen wallpaper, that is if you would like to change only lock screen wallpaper and keep the lock screen in ticked, and home screen will be should be an unticked. Okay, and click on next, and click on done. Lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected now. Suppose if you would like to use other wallpaper, that is from local gallery, what you got to do is go to gallery. Okay, go to gallery options, and here select your photo and click on done. Click on done and untick home screen and click on next, and see the preview and click on done. Yes, now lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected from the local gallery. So in this way you can also set your photo as wallpaper for our phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.